Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake. In the next tutorial video guys, we will write a program that uses ngbind directive that will accept two numbers, and then the program will compute the quotient of the two given numbers and display the result on the screen using AngularJS. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out Sir Daven, Marshmallow, Sir Ernil, and Ma'am Robinin. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video tutorial and put the word shout out. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have here problem number 4. Write a program that uses ngbind that will accept two numbers, and then the program will compute the quotient of the two numbers and display the results on the screen. So we have here the solution. Index, author yours truly, Professor J. Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT. The date that I wrote this code is October 11, 2021, Monday at 2:50 p.m. My location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. And then I have the two websites where you can download the source code. The first one is this one is www.jakearpomperada.com, and then the other one is www.jakearpomperada.blogspot.com, and then my personal email address is jakearpomperada@gmail.com. So we have here HTML head, quotient of two numbers using ngbind in AngularJS. I have a simple CSS here, body, font, family, Arial, font size 25 px, font weight bold, and then here I'm including the script of AngularJS. When you are writing a program in AngularJS, make sure that you have this library file in your folder with the right path. So angular.min.js, and then we have here the script, var app angular module quotient, app controller, app $scope function, app divide function, app solve 0, app solve app val_1 divide, or quotient $app val_2, and then we will display the result here $.solve in our app display, and then we close the script. So to begin an AngularJS in our application, so we have here div ng app quotient, ng controller app, form, table border, placing, and then we have here the table quotient of two numbers using ngbind in AngularJS. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number, enter first value, and then our variable is ng-model val_1 int -change divide. So every time that we type, automatically it will interact. The same thing with the second value. So we have your ng-model val_2 ng-change divide. Okay, so we close our table here in the form, and then using span or spanning in HTML, we display the result here. The quotient of val_1 and val_2 is ngbind display span. So in a single line it will display. So here we close our paragraph, and then div, and then body HTML. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, so let us go with our browser. So quotient of two numbers using ngbind in AngularJS, enter first value. Let's say we have 100, the second value we have 10. The quotient of 110 is 10. another example, 20, and then we have 2. The quotient of 20 and 2 is 10. Let's say we have 1,500, and then we have 5. So the quotient of 1,500 and 5 is 300. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on quotient of two numbers using ngBind in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free on my two websites. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.